Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, let's do the unboxing of the Redmi Note 12 Turbo. Yes friends, finally I did receive the Redmi Note 12 Turbo device at this moment, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing experience of the Redmi Note 12 Turbo and how is the initial impressions about this device. That's what I'm going to discuss in this video, and let's do the quick unboxing of this device. This Redmi Note 12 Turbo device, which has got the Snapdragon 7+Gen1 processor. So this is a 7+Gen2 processor, which is a Gen 2 one, as you can see, which has got the 4nm chipset. So which is a Snapdragon 7+Gen2 chipset, which is present in this device. So apart from that, the phone has got the 5000 mAh of battery capacity. So right now let me open the device. So this is a Redmi Note 12 Turbo edition. So I'm really interested to test this performance of this Snapdragon 7+Gen1 processor, how much the capability will be there regarding the performance and overall speed test results as well in this Redmi Note 12 Turbo edition. So let me do the quick unboxing of this device. So Redmi Note 12 Turbo edition, which I got right now, as you can see friends. So this is a Redmi Note 12 Turbo finally. So this is a quick device. So let's do the quick unboxing of this Redmi Note 12 Turbo, and let me open the box and his case, so which is present in this package, and this is a Redmi Note 12 Turbo. So which is pretty slim mobile phone and very lightweight as well. So even though it has got 5000 mAh of battery capacity, but still the weight is really very light in this smartphone. So this is a color variant which I've ordered right now, and in the box you do get the 6.7 watts charger and the USB cable, and there will be a case given with the device as well. So this is a SIM card pin. Along with that, transparent case will be provided. As you can see, this is a transparent case. Overall, this is a quick look of the Redmi Note 12 Turbo device. So let's do the quickly boot up of the device, and we'll try to see is there any charge left in this phone or not at this moment. And this phone has got the Snapdragon 7+Gen2 processor, along with that 5000 mAh of battery capacity and 12-bit AMOLED panel. So the AMOLED panel is also slightly updated when you compare with the 10-bit AMOLED panels. The display should also give you slightly better experience in this device. The display is a key highlight point, and even the processor Snapdragon 7+Gen2 is also another key highlight point in this Redmi Note 12 Turbo device as well. And I'll definitely post plenty of videos on that. And next thing is the lightweight. The phone also feels really very lightweight. So the specifications of this phone, or the regarding the weight, it's about 181 grams. As you can see friends, 181 grams, and OLED panel and 1000 nits of brightness and 120Hz Dolby Vision display. The display is also really very good. Android 13 and MIUI 14 out of the box. And these are the specifications of the device: 64 megapixel main sensor, ultra wide sensor, and the 2 megapixel macro sensor, and 4K 30 FPS. I think there is no 4K 60 FPS at this moment in this device. So let me check that. I think, yeah, there is no 4K 60 FPS. There is only 4K 30 FPS. And next thing, dual speaker setup is present. Bluetooth 5.3 is present, and 5000 mAh of battery and 67 watts of fast charging, which is present. So all friends, these are the few details about this Redmi Note 12 Turbo edition. Right now I did boot up the device, and definitely I'll try to do the in-depth testing of this smartphone as well. So make sure to hit that like and also subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to check the links in description for more playlist videos of the Redmi Note 12 Turbo edition. So all the links will be available in the description below as well. Check the links in the description for more information. Until then, signing off, thank you for watching and bye.